So this is a video, a kind of alternative to ClickBank. It's Digistore24. So with ClickBank you can get paid via direct deposit through your bank and check, and that's it. So the advantage of this, some I've never even heard of, Sezzle, they're all online accounts. PayPal, which is well known, bank transfer, that is looks like German or Dutch, credit card, Venmo, payment methods, and then you can get paid as a single payment per sale from some of these offers that you might start installing, or subscription. Sorry, I made a mistake. So when you get some sales, some will just be a single payment, which we'll look at a single sale, and some of them is subscription based, it'll be recurring. And then you've got the language, find offers in English or whatever, commission type, CP or rev share. You can choose how much you want per sale and things like that. You can do a search on it. So there's these things which I hadn't planned to really go into, but it's just there. So marketplace, and you can search for different type of products or vendor names. John Cristani, so he's usually got a lot of products. I wonder if he's on it, but that's not even how you spell his name. So let's just take a look. So that's one of his new products. So just take a look at that. AI Marketers Club by John Cristani, members area and video courses. So that is what you would get per sale. He's the vendor. $31.59 per sale, and that is the sales page. So that's, you can actually use that, and that's his funnel, and you can listen to the offer. You can even purchase it if you really wanted to, but that's what you're hoping people would do when they access this. So he's been around for a long time, and this is, I think, his latest product. So back to the start here, and then that's an average what the sale would be, and then if we and it's a single payment, so there's no recurring on that one, and you just go promote now, and that would be your link that you would promote. So you would just go to here. It's generated a link for me, and then hopefully it'll load up soon. So that's the same page that we looked at. But if you're serious about marketing, let's just take a look at this. So you'd really want a page like this if you're promoting that offer. Say it was that offer, click here, and then it would take you to the page, so you'll be building your email list at the same time. So that's quite a good sales page. You're hoping they'll go on it, and then they'll look at all the reviews and content, and then if they purchase through your link, it's hard coded into the system, and they'll know that the Digistore24 store will pay you that $30. And so if you know vendors, which I do know some man around for a long time, you can search via vendor or a certain type of offer. Maybe you're into weight loss, so you would just it's coming up with some stuff. We'll just search for that. And look at this time, you can get $105 per sale, and then you can go to their sales page. If it loads up, that's if you're into weight loss or you've got an interest, and that would be the page for that. And this is quite a good affiliate support page. If you go on here, you're getting some good stuff here. Email swipes. If you got an email list, they've got already worked out for you. They've got emails that you just use, and then you just put in your link, and then if they open the email, click on it, you're paid. So that's a good tool that product's got. So I'd always maybe have that products that are giving you a lot of support and giving you a lot of done for you material. Promote now. Should take a few seconds. Just copy it, and then you can use that link. So you can search via offers or vendor, and then there's a couple other ones. You can search by category, a bit like ClickBank digital products. Let's just choose email marketing. It's not in English. I don't think I would bother with that. If you do speak the language that's in that, then you could do that. So we might just do English. Yep, because that's what I speak, sort of. So here's some different products. Only $6 with that one. $15. Usually email marketing products are technically inexpensive, but let's kind of look at one that's got a bit of commission. 5 AI powered income secret ebooks. So you can see the sales page, and they're supporting you as well, so this is quite good. If it just loads up in a minute. So you get your affiliate link, you've got some promo tools, and you can download the best swipes from them as well, so that is quite good. And then you can promote now and confirm, copy, and you can start to get traffic to promote some of these offers. So you can just go down there and see what you like, take a look at the offers, kind of look for affiliate support page because they're actually helping you. And then there's ones that are based on events and seminars, skincare products, food supplements. So there's all different kind of offers in different languages. So you might speak German, so you just want German offers. So these were the ones that were coming up before, and then you can have the price range if there is any at that price range. You can play around with it. So that's really how to use Digistore24. So you maybe want to promote different offers, but then you need to create landing pages, which I've just shown you here, per offer. But if you're wanting a one-stop shop for great training, great community, promoting one offer, then take a look at the description and we'll see you there.